In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to direct message multiple users in Slack. Let's make this a smooth and efficient process, especially if you're looking to communicate swiftly with multiple team members at the same time. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to Slack. If you don't have it open already, just fire up your preferred web browser or launch the Slack application on your device. Once you're on the Slack platform, proceed to log in. You can do this using your email address, or if you prefer a more streamlined process, opt for either Google or Apple login options, whichever you typically use. This part should only take a moment, and you'll quickly find yourself inside your Slack environment. Next, you'll want to navigate to the specific workspace where you need to send those messages. It's important to ensure you're in the correct workspace to avoid any mix-ups. You'll see all your workspaces nicely listed on the side. Just click on the one that suits your current objective. Now, it's time to locate the pen and paper icon. This icon is generally located near or around the workspace name and acts as your gateway to creating new messages. Go ahead and give that a click. With the message window open, you'll be greeted with the option to select members of your team who will be the recipients of your message. Begin typing in their names in the designated field. Slack should helpfully start suggesting names from your team roster, making it easier to select the right individuals without manually typing out full names. You're able to include as many people as needed here. Just make sure to double-check your selections to ensure nobody is accidentally left out or wrongly included. Once you've got everyone you need in the members list, it's time to focus on crafting your message. Type out the message just as you would for any other chat. Be clear and concise. Remember, effective communication is key in any team setting. When your message is just the way you want it, go ahead and hit that send button, and there you have it. You've just sent a direct message to multiple users in your Slack workspace. This quick and efficient method ensures that everyone you need to reach is on the same page at once. Whether you're coordinating a project, sharing an important update, or just wanting to stay connected, this tool is invaluable for maintaining seamless communication in your team. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough helpful, and you're now ready to use this feature with confidence in your Slack workspace. Happy messaging!